He's going to try to fly it first. Got him in the wing. Just keep it tight. We're here to help, bud. We're here to help. He's just tangled. You're not even having him hooked.
Oh, really?
Get that net over his head. All right, see if you can untangle it.
Where is it?
I know, bud. I know. I know. I know. We got you. We got you. We got you. It's going under his. It's going under his leg. Why don't you go get that knife? See, oh, he's coming down. Relax, bud. We got you. It's underneath his. It's hard for me to move him, bro.
There we go. There you go.
All right. Ready? Go. We helped you. We helped you. Relax. Seriously, bro?
Hey.
We just helped you.
Now we just gotta talk some shit into him.
What are you pissed at me for?
Yeah, dude.
You look at him, you get mad at them.
Don't get mad at me. He did. Dude, he did all that for.
That's all right. I got a video.
He did all that for a little piece of pin.
That's crazy, ain't it?
Yeah.
No, he's pissed.
He is pissed.
He's all fluffed up. Well, we did something good.
My line that broke. He's so mad.
You got it, man.